Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to disable Firefox extensions. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and any other browser and download the Firefox browser. Then let's see what we have in front of us here. In the middle of the screen, as you can see, you have the search box, and in the top also, we have the add shortcuts button. In the top right corner, we have 3 horizontal lines. We have the settings and all of these things here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and disable Firefox extensions. So disabling Firefox extension is a breeze. Launch the Firefox browser on your computer, as I told you at the start of the video. Click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner and select add-ons and themes. Then click on the extensions in the left sidebar. So this is the second option, as you can see. Find the extension you want to disable and click the blue toggle switch next to it. The switch will turn gray, indicating the extension is disabled. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.